Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to keep an iPhone screen on. So the first step is to open the settings of this iOS device. So tap to settings. So from here just find the battery. Just tap to battery and you must be check your phone will be charged, not in lower power mode. So just go back and just find the display and brightness in the settings. So just tap to display and brightness, just scroll down to find auto lock. Just tap to auto lock. Now is on 1 minute, so just you will turn it on to never. So now your phone will be never locked. This is how to screen on, keep an eye screen on iPhone. So if this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.